Ever check the famous Crypto Fear and Greed Index only to find it's 3 hours old and locked behind an API paywall? Today I'll show you how to build your own real-time version in pure Python, no keys, no tokens, totally free. Markets move on emotion. The faster you see that mood swing from panic to FOMO, the faster you trade or step back. So we'll scrape live social chatter, score the sentiment, and plot a 0 to 100 gauge that updates every time you hit enter. Step 1. Pull the data. Reddit's JSON endpoints are public, so we can grab the 50 newest posts from r/cryptocurrency with a single request. Second source, Twitter. Well, X now. We'll dodge the API by hitting the site's unauthenticated search URL and counting the number of bullish and bearish emojis in the first 20 tweets. Both calls finish in under 2 seconds, plenty fast for a live dashboard. Step 2. Score the sentiment. For Reddit headlines, we'll pipe each one into NLTK's VADER analyzer, great for short, slang-heavy text. VADER returns a compound score from -1 to +1. We'll convert that to a 0 to 100 scale with a quick lambda, value times 50 plus 50. For Twitter, we'll use a dumb but shockingly effective heuristic, count bullish emojis as greed, count bearish emojis as fear. Take the ratio, normalize to 100, and average it with the Reddit score. Boom, your blended fear and greed number. Step 3. Visualize. We'll use Plotly because it ships with a gorgeous semicircle gauge. Green on the right, red on the left, needle in the middle. Every time you rerun the cell, the needle jumps to the latest mood. And that's it. Real-time crypto sentiment in under 100 lines of Python, no paywalls, no rate limit drama. Code repo link is in the description if you want to clone and tweak. Smash the like button if you learned something, subscribe for more Python finance hacks, and let me know in the comments which data source you'd blend in next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the markets.